Hi guys, me again, Tim with Southern Exposure. Welcome to another episode. What we're going to be doing today is quite simply just taking and sawing up wood. We have no orders to fill. Right now I just want to get a good healthy stock of 2x4s up for whenever customer orders them. I got them right there on the spot. Not going to be cutting with the edger saw today. All we're going to do is just be cutting lumber, and all the flitches and everything we're just going to throw off to the side, and we'll do a separate video where we cut all the flitches down into lumber again. That seems to work real well last time. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the logs we're going to end up using for today. All right, this log right here is about 10 inches in diameter. It has no taper. This is one of the poles I ended up cutting down from my logging video a while back. I'm finally getting around to cutting this log up. So there's going to be this one right here and these right here. This one right here is a very rotted log. I'm not going to get much material out of it. And then these two poles that are right here, those are just going to be 4x4s or firewood. So one of the two. If I can't get any lumber out of it, I just take it, throw it on the burn pile. And then all the rest of that that's all what's left of what was inside of that pine pile. And now I can start bringing in some nice, healthier logs. So with that said, do me a favor, go ahead and grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, kick back, relax, and take in a little bit of Southern Exposure. Let's get to it. Oh boy. So with that different colored looking sawdust, that means that we're getting into some really rotten wood. I need to check and see what I can get out of it and what I can't. Well, some of the dust is getting a little bit lighter, so there is good wood in there. I need that little slab saw like over there on frickin' Jeep, Mr. John Clark, one that he made. That would be nice to have. So now that we got this thing turned over and the sawdust still coming out dark, that means that we're still in the punky wood inside of this pine. Now you see the color change in the sawdust. That means that we're starting to get into some really good wood on the inside of it. That's the reason why I grab it and then squeeze it, see if any moisture comes out of it or if it stays gritty. The grittier it is, the stronger the wood fiber is. Every once in a while you'll see me checking out the log or the can, and I'll take and push on it. What I'm doing is I'm trying to look and see where all the good structure is inside of the fiber of the timber, so that way if it's too punky, I'll get rid of it on the spot. However, if it seems like it's structurally sound, it's worth getting, then I'll go ahead and keep on milling it. This log right here seems pretty good. Once you end up getting past all the punky stuff, it's just that it's going to take a lot to get past all that punky stuff. Is it worth it? I don't know. On this one, I don't know. You end up going through a lot just to get a few boards that you end up getting out of it. Now you see that big color change in that sawdust. You can see it laying on top of the dark sawdust. That means that you're in some really good wood at that point. Hi guys. Well, unfortunately, I forgot to hit record and show you guys the rest of me cutting up that other log, that big rotted log. So, with that said, whole nother day. I think what I'll do now is I'll just go ahead and show you the lumber that it ended up producing, and that'll be it. All right, let's take a look. Okay, this right here is the 2x4s we ended up getting out of that one log. I think we're going to end up with a total of 5. This is some beautiful tight grain that came out of that log. I think we're going to end up with 5 total 2x4s. I got to finish cutting this guy right here, edging this off, and then this one will be good to go. Okay, and then this is the 1x10s, which look really good. I'm actually kind of surprised I got that good of lumber out of that rotted of a log. So 1 2x10 and 7 1x10s, which will primarily be for siding. Okay, so with that said, we ended up getting the 2x4s, we ended up getting a 2x10 and some 1x10s, 1x10s for siding, framing lumber out of it, so it really wasn't that bad. So what we're going to end up doing next is we're going to take and cut some of this old stock that's over here, go ahead and cut it up, get some lumber out of it. I'll make another video on that one and everything. So I hope this video has been educational. I hope you've enjoyed it. And with that said, do me a favor and go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. We do appreciate it, and we do appreciate you. With that said, God bless.